Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get linen in Bellwright. To do this, first click on U on your keyboard. Here you will find your tech tree. You will need to unlock the Weaver Loom. To do that, first you will need to unlock a foraging camp. Then build the Weaver Loom and then navigate to the Weaver Loom crafting mini. And now to actually craft linen, you will need flax, which is the purple flower. You will need 2 of them. Also, to craft it, you need the river reed, and I have it right here also. And to find it, you will need to open your map, and it spawns near the bodies of water. So here we have water closest to the spawning village, and here's where you can find it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.